Casa, entre, medianeras by Aïda, Artiz and Oriol, Garcia. Location: Sant Feliu de Llobregat, Spain. Photography by Artiz. This house is very beautiful. White walls give an aesthetic impression. A house with a shape like this is very suitable to be here. Comfort and calm are always present at home. Chatting with all family members will increase intimacy. Hopefully this information can inspire you in building a house. Thank you for watching this channel. See you in the next video.